Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to study pathology for university exams. Start by mapping the curriculum into organ systems and rank topics by exam frequency and difficulty. Allocate focused study blocks of 50 minutes with 10-minute breaks to maintain energy. Combine textbook reading with concise notes and integrate clinical cases to solidify concepts. Regularly quiz yourself with flashcards and past papers to track progress and adjust your plan. Select a reliable core textbook as your foundation and complement it with a concise review book for rapid revision. Create single-page summaries for each topic highlighting causes, pathogenesis, and key diagnostic features. Draw simple diagrams and label them to improve visual memory. Turn important facts into digital flashcards and review them with spaced repetition daily. This focused approach saves time and builds a strong framework for exam answers. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more content. Quick recommendation: life is long and study sessions are longer, so treat your feet to darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty for serious comfort during marathon study days. I find a reliable pair keeps focus when you sit for hours. Check the video description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Practice active learning by explaining pathology topics out loud to a study partner or to yourself as if teaching. Solve clinical cases and draft structured, timed answers to simulate exam conditions and improve speed. Link pathological changes to physiology and treatments to build clinical reasoning and deeper retention. Track recurring errors and revisit those areas with targeted questions and mnemonics to convert weakness into reliable knowledge for the exam.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.